Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel ProTube Adventure. Today, we'll be discussing a topic that's very close to the hearts of many travel enthusiasts. Solo travel versus group travel, which is better? Both options have their pros and cons, and it can be tough to choose between them. In this video, we'll be discussing the advantages and disadvantages of both solo and group travel, so you can decide which option is best for you. Advantages of solo travel. Let's start with the advantages of solo travel. Firstly, traveling solo gives you the freedom to do what you want, when you want. You're not tied to anyone else's schedule, and you can be as spontaneous as you like. Additionally, solo travel can be a great way to build your confidence and independence, as you'll be relying solely on yourself to navigate unfamiliar places and situations. Another advantage of solo travel is that you'll have the opportunity to meet new people. When you're traveling alone, you're more likely to strike up conversations with locals and other travelers, and you might even make some lifelong friends. Finally, solo travel can be a great way to reconnect with yourself and spend some time in your own company. Disadvantages of solo travel. Of course, there are some downsides to traveling solo. One of the biggest is safety concerns. When you're traveling alone, you're more vulnerable to theft, scams, and other dangers, especially if you're a woman. Additionally, traveling alone can be more expensive, as you'll have to pay for everything yourself, from accommodation to transport. Finally, solo travel can be lonely at times. While you might meet new people along the way, there may be moments when you feel isolated and miss the company of others. Advantages of group travel. Now let's move on to group travel. One of the biggest advantages of traveling with a group is safety. You'll have others to look out for you and help you navigate unfamiliar places. Additionally, traveling in a group can be more affordable, as you can split the cost of accommodation, transport, and other expenses. Another advantage of group travel is that it can be a lot of fun. You'll have people to share your experiences with, and you'll be able to make memories together. Finally, traveling in a group can be a great way to learn from others, as you'll be exposed to different perspectives and cultures. Disadvantages of group travel. However, there are also some downsides to group travel. Firstly, you'll have less freedom to do what you want, when you want. You'll need to take into account the preferences and schedules of your travel companions, which can be frustrating at times. Additionally, group dynamics can be tricky, and conflicts can arise. Another disadvantage of group travel is that it can be less authentic. When you're with a group, you might be more likely to stick to touristy areas and miss out on the hidden gems that solo travelers tend to discover. Which is better? So, which is better, solo travel or group travel? Well, it really depends on your personal preferences and travel style. If you're looking for independence, spontaneity, and the opportunity to meet new people, solo travel might be the way to go. However, if safety, affordability, and companionship are your top priorities, then group travel might be a better option. Conclusion. Ultimately, both solo travel and group travel have their advantages and disadvantages, and it's up to you to decide which option is best for you based on your preferences, priorities, and travel goals. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to travel. What matters most is that you have an enjoyable and fulfilling experience. We hope you found this video helpful in making your decision, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel-related content, and as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.